Well, welcome to the YouTube channel. Whether you like it or not, this is how radio used to be. Let's see what the future holds. This is M0 Sugar Golf Sugar.
Good morning everybody, this is M0 Sugar Golf Sugar in Pudsey, West Yorkshire. Name's Stuart, Sierra Tango Uniform Alfa Romeo Tango. It's a beautiful day here in Pudsey. We have lovely sunshine and it's around about 18 degrees centigrade. So there's been some updates to BlueDV for Windows, and in conjunction with Eurolink and the CQ UK rooms, CQ UK 1 and 2, and I'd just like to go through that with you. As you can see over here, we have a new addition to BlueDV for Windows, and it's called DGID. For this to work, you have to be connected to the Eurolink YSF room on Fusion, and I'll show you how to connect to that particular room in this video. So bear with me, I'll pop up my new screen, one that I can play with. So this is BlueDV for Windows. So the first thing you want to do, and as is typical always while I'm doing a video, the room becomes active, so I'll just turn the volume down for that. So how do we choose the Eurolink? If you go to Fusion and in the lists you'll find Eurolink, and it'll be the last one before it comes to F in the list. So as you can see, it'll start with numbers, then it's all alphabetical, and you want to choose Eurolink in BlueDV for Windows. Once you've chosen that, click link, and this drop down box becomes active, and these are DGID numbers. If you watch in this corner here, you'll see it's set as CQ UK2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change this ID number, which is 25, which is the DGID for CQ UK2. I'm going to change that to 35, which is the digital ID for CQ UK1. And if you watch this box, you'll see that box will change. So this software is operating which room in this list. I'll just move this to the side so you can see the list. So the software is operating which list or which room in this list that I can go into. So I'm going to change that to DGID 35, which is the CQ UK room. And to physically change the room, you just quickly key up and then unkey. So I'll do that now. And if you notice over here, we've changed rooms from CQ UK2 to just CQ UK1 or CQ UK. To change back, we change the digital ID on here again, and you'll see that on this side it now says I'm in CQ UK1. So I'm going to change it back again, go back to 25, quick key up again, and you'll notice it will change here. Now I'm in CQ UK2, and it will change here to tell you that I've moved to CQ UK2. So this is version 1.0.0.9594 of BlueDV for Windows. So if you operate a thumb drive or an Ambi stick or an Ambi 3000 DV Mega 30 stick, that's how you change rooms using the DGID in conjunction with Eurolink. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close down Eurolink, and I'll show you how that marries up with the CQ UK room. So this is the YCS server, which is our server, CQ UK YCS server in England. It's located in Aberdeen, GM7KBK, and he runs the server from his locale. And basically you'll see that as the server will show you, as I've been changing rooms with BlueDV, it's been changing rooms on the server. So the same numbers are used for both BlueDV, Eurolink and the YCS server. 25 is room 2 on CQ UK, and 35 is room 1 on CQ UK. So that's basically it, and it works extremely well. I'm controlling the radios that I have in front of me using PiStar software, and PiStar software also controls the radios that I have. I have an FTM 300, an FTM 400, and they're on my hotspot frequency, and the hotspot frequency allows me to just use the digital ID on the radio, 25 and 35, to change between the two rooms, running through an MMDVM, running this latest version of PiStar by EA7EE. And if you get a chance, download this version of PiStar to be able to change rooms using a digital ID. If you don't have PiStar and the MMDVM, obviously you can stick to Eurolink. Eurolink will allow you to connect a thumb drive or a dongle or a DV stick, and automatically allow you to change rooms that way. So if you watch at the top of this screen again, I'll use just the controller to change the BlueDV into a different room. So there you go, I've changed rooms. If I now go back to the BlueDV and do a quick connect, it should change. There you go, CQ UK 2. So I've changed rooms. I'll change it back again, CQ UK 1. If you watch the screen here, that'll go back to CQ UK 1. So very easy to use, very easy to change rooms. And another little feature of using the BlueDV like this and controlling rooms via digital ID is, if we're talking on CQ UK 1 or 2, and it's they're both very busy rooms. If we want to talk on a quieter place where we're not interfering with the rooms, etc., we can just pick an ID that's free. So there are several rooms here that are fairly quiet, a lot quieter than the CQ UK rooms. One is 10, the English room. One is 36, which is the Scottish room. So if I was talking to somebody and I wanted to change rooms for a quieter room so we could have a quick chat or a lengthy chat, then all I'd do is pick a room. We'll go to the English room, number 10, press the key, unkey, and you'll notice up here it'll say that I've changed rooms to room number 10, which is the English room. You see my call sign there, and the English room. So have fun with it. It's an awesome piece of kit. Many thanks to Juan Carlos, EA7EE, and David, PA7LIM in the Netherlands, who created BlueDV for Windows and the Treehouse project. And I'll see you again. Enjoy your radio, enjoy experimenting. That's the name of the game with this fantastic hobby. We don't all like the same things, but we can all communicate together if we wish to do so. Best 73s, this is M0 Sugar Gold Sugar.